But if I put that into his body and nothing's happening, I get the float, now it happens. So those of you who are chasing martial skill, this is an exercise you want to do a lot of because it makes you look like a high-level internal master. It's really simple. It's not a difficult thing to do. So the stretch he gives me, I put it into his joints, my joints, he gives me more, and then I release through the matrix. And then we have that Fajin that a lot of the Tai Chi internal people look for. But if I put that into his body and nothing's happening, I get the float, now it happens. So I've got to go into the matrix. I electrocute the matrix. If I hit the wrong place, he'll neutralize that energy. So it's got to be in the right place. So breathe into your partner, get them open, and then shoot it through the matrix, and you get a dramatic reaction. And it's very measurable. You just change your mind, put it in a little bit different place. Your partner goes, oh, it kind of worked, didn't work. And you put it in the right place, it really works. So those of you who are chasing martial skill, this is an exercise you want to do a lot of because it makes you look like a high-level internal master. It's really simple. It's not a difficult thing to do. You have a curve of people that on one end, the people are really sensitive. They make you look good. The people who are brick, it's like, ah. And you rate your skill by what percentage of that curve you can affect with this exercise. If you're just making YouTube videos and 10% of the sensitive people, you always look good, but it's a little bit of a lie, you know. You want to be able to affect the whole curve with this exercise. And the initial thing is, if a person's super grounded, you just vital breathe into them a bit longer in the beginning of the exercise. You just keep floating the energy, float, and that might take a minute, and then electrocute them. If they give you some intention in, and you lock it into their bones and your bones, and then you shoot, it amplifies even further. So these amplifiers, you've got to write them down. What amplifies the effect of this? Opening more, first amplifier. Finding that mental matrix, second amplifier. Locking the energy onto the bone, third amplifier. Them giving a little bit of a tension feed, fourth amplifier, and so forth. And you write down what makes this work more dramatically. And then you'll have, if they're a fire personality like Dinesh is, then there's one more amplifier, that personality type.